So what's inside the box has a probability of spontaneously disappearing from inside the box and appearing outside the box. That's called tunneling. And it does that instantaneously, like faster than the speed of light. Another spooky, freaky thing in quantum physics. And that relates in part to quantum entanglement, because you can have two different particles whose wave functions interact on a way that where you do something to one particle, the other one knows about it instantly because their wave functions communicate. This is quantum 101. It's like the fun parts of quantum.
That is a lot of fun.
It's crazy. So we should do a lot of these about quantum physics. This was like an overview. I could spend a whole explainer on each one of these things because this is the decade. In the 1920s was a watershed decade in physics where Hubble discovers that the Milky Way is not the only galaxy. There are other island universes, they were called. Andromeda is another galaxy containing 400 billion stars. And 3 years later, in 1929, he discovers that the universe is expanding, and we apply Einstein's relativity to show that we've got possibly a Big Bang, which would make 50 years before we had the supporting data. And most of what we now know, understand, and love about quantum physics was discovered in the 1920s. And we knew all of that before the neutron was discovered.
And before Texas Instruments actually made a calculator.